Yes, I've come your way once again. This is your boy Wilson God in Ghana, your youth advisor. Today, I want to take you out there to see the road construction, which they are construction and preparing the town for 2022 World Cup in Doha. I hope you will enjoy this video and try to subscribe and share this video so that you can be part of the big family. Let's go out there so that I will show you what is going on, the road construction, and how the thickness of the road which they are doing out there, even the thickness, we need that type of the thickness in Africa or in my country, so that if we construct road, the road will be very strong and last for us, so that we are not going to spoil money in the country. Join me, let's go out there. Stay with me and stay with my channel. Don't just skip the ad, watch the ad too. I will be back with you. Let's go to the roadside. Let's go. See, they are constructing a road. You see the asphalt, the thickness of the asphalt? Huh? You see? Yeah, we must do the same. This road can take like 20, 30 years. But still, they will destroy it within 6 years. They will destroy it and put a new one there. If this guy is saying it, that you should change your attitude in Africa, in Ghana, you will tell the guy that he doesn't respect. Shafem, you see the thickness of the road? The asphalt, you see the thickness? That's it. This is the street of Doha. Yeah, that's the street of Doha. You see? Road construction is going on. And the thickness of the asphalt is not easy. Yeah. Let me cross the road. Yeah. Road construction is going on. Very good road. See the thickness of the road which they are doing. It's very thick. You see? Yeah. If Jonas is telling you change your attitude, you'll be insulting the small boy, and he's telling you the truth. Change your attitude and do good roads in the country. Look at the thickness of the road which I have shown you. Learn from it and don't just throw money around. Let's pass here. Don't just throw money around. Road construction is going on. You see? This is the street of Doha. Yeah, that's the street of Doha. We have all the resources, but we cannot enjoy our resources. Yeah, we cannot enjoy. If Jonas is telling you change your attitude, change. I've shown you the thickness of the road. I hope you see it. Yeah, I hope you see it. We are going further. See, every place is covered. Everything is covered and is ordered. Yeah. We are vlogging with my friend. My friend is a Ghanaian, but he said he don't want you people to see him because he's a Rasta man. Yeah, he has rejected you people. 24/7. Everything is on place. Everything is on course. You see? We are moving to Mangolina. Huh? Is it not Mangolina? Yeah, we are going to Mangolina. I'm excited to show you the road. I hope you people have seen the road. Everything is paid with money, and they are using their money. What did they have? Only oil. And we have gold, bauxite, timber. And you give Chinese visas to come to Ghana, and the chiefs and the queens and the people. Let's go. Okay. Can we pass there? No. The insult cannot change them. Just, we must to tell them something. I'm not afraid of anybody, but you know, yeah, everything is on course. Look how the things is moving. Right? Very beautiful and nice place. Yeah. We are vlogging. We are on the road vlogging. Yeah. Everything is on course. This is Wilson Gordon, Ghana, your youth advisor. I'm showing you around. We are vlogging. We are in the streets of Doha. Woo! Yeah. Why are you hiding your hiding? You are a Ghanaian, you say you are not a Ghanaian. Why are you running away? You can't run away from your shadow. You see? You see? Road construction, nice roads. If you are talking that you should change your attitudes in the country, the ministers, change, look. Very fantastic and fantastic and fantastious. Speak that English and let me see. Fantadicious, eh? Fantabrutitious. Even I don't. How many lanes? We have how many lanes? 3 lanes, right? Let's walk in the middle. I'm not going to insult anybody. I'm just telling them to change their attitude in the country. Yo, we are crossing the road. You see? Vehicle is coming 24/7. Everything is moving. Woo! Robert. No, I will not insult anybody. Charlie guy, let me leave you here, okay? And let me continue with my video. I want you to leave a message for them and you don't want to leave a message for them. You see, my guy is going. He's running away because he said that he insult you people in the country. And I'm not ready to do that. So, just change your attitude. Okay? Yeah. Let's try to watch the video on YouTube. Okay? And share on Facebook. Yeah. See the road. Yeah, everything is working. Everything is in place. Yeah. I'm waiting to cross the road. I'm waiting to cross the road. The malls and the supermarket. Woo! Why worried about that? I'm enjoying. Let me cross the road now. Woo! Yeah. Let me end here with the video. Have the view. There is the nice view. This is Doha, Qatar. Doha. I'm in the streets of Doha. I'm in the streets of Doha. Vlogging. We are vlogging. Yeah. I'm just showing you around. This is your youth advisor. You can subscribe to my channel. I have more videos for you. Vlogging is about advising the youth to take leadership of Africa. Yeah, you must take the leadership of Africa, because if the youth take leadership, everything is going to be well in the country. Yo, this is a coffee shop. You can feel the view. Ooh. Yeah, let me end here with my video. Try, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye for watching. Yes, still construction is going on, and I would like to show you the thickness of the road. See, this is the thickness of the asphalt. See, this is the thickness of the asphalt. Yeah, you see the thickness? It's more than 9 inches. And I'm walking at the street of Doha. Just feel the view. And the road construction work is going on. It's more than 12 feet, 12 inches. Yeah. Yeah, you can see how thick is it. I'm vlogging at the street of Doha. Just feel the view of Doha. Woo! Just feel the view of Doha. Just feel the view. I have reached my destination, and I'm going to my accommodation. I hope you enjoyed watching the vlogging. Yeah, I hope you enjoy watching the vlogging. I'm on the way going to my accommodation. Yeah, my small and nice place which I live. Yeah, enjoy, subscribe, like, and share my videos. Yeah, I have reached my destination, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Yeah, I hope you have enjoyed watching my video. Try to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Yeah, I'm on my way to my accommodation. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This your guy was in Gordon, Ghana, your youth advisor. This is your youth advisor. Today is my off day. I just take you around for you to see the road construction, and I'm in the lift now. Yeah, I'm going to my room to rest. Enjoy this video, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to press the notification button. Any video which I will upload out here, you'll be the first person to be notified that Wilson has dropped a video. Yes, I hope you enjoyed watching it. How the road look nice and beautiful. We need this type of road, the thickness of the road in Africa, in Ghana. Yeah, this is the end of my video. Try and subscribe, share. But I will thank all my subscribers that they should keep on supporting the channel so that we can achieve our goal. I will never let you down. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for sharing my videos. And the new people who have joined me, May God bless you all. I hope you enjoyed watching the vlogging. Stay with me, stay with my channel. Shalom, peace, bye-bye.